Good morning. Well, there's nothing I like better than a good cup of coffee, made normally. It's a good slow brew. You might have heard it called sun tea, for example. Yeah, I like sun tea. It's got a nice mellow flavor, not a lot of harsh notes. What not a lot of people know is that you can do that with coffee, too. So, here we go. Look at that. Oh boy, is that attractive looking. Black water. Ugh. Yuck. So, what am I talking about? Well, the fact is that it's very possible to burn coffee if you make it with just simply boiling water. Yeah, if your water's too hot, you'll burn the coffee and it'll taste different. We're kind of used to burned coffee, but it doesn't have to be. So how do you do this? Well, that was a 1 liter wine carafe. Pick these up at a supermarket. I put in enough coffee to make 12 cups. You know, standard issue amount of coffee for your coffee brewer. Throw it in there, add some water, set it out in the sun for an hour, maybe 2. And then, don't hesitate to shake it. You know, coffee tends to bunch up at the top. You got to get it shaken around and distribute it a little too. So, you get it back, and you got mud. What do? Well, you take a coffee filter, reusable coffee filter, maybe a strainer to hold it, put it on top of a container that's big enough, and pour it on through. Get rid of the coffee grounds. Yeah, it's not that hard. Takes a couple minutes. If you want, you can pour gently and take advantage of the neck and leave the grounds behind, leave most of the grounds behind. But what you get is a very mellow, very powerful, so it will give you a caffeine headache, coffee. Syrup, if you want. You can dilute it. You can pour it over ice, which is what I kind of like to do. But there you go. Slow brew, solar coffee. So I know it's exciting. Use as much coffee as you want. It's all up to your taste. But the big trick, filter it afterwards. So that's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe, like, and all of that good stuff. Thank you. Goodbye.